What's the meaning of curve? Curve. Curve.
Curve. Curve. The term curve refers to a shape that deviates from a straight line in a gradual or smooth manner. Curves can be found in various fields, such as mathematics, physics, art, and design. They can be visually appealing and evoke emotions or create a sense of movement or flow. The result of a curve can range from a simple geometric shape like a circle or ellipse, to more complex curves like a parabola or sine wave. Curves are used in many practical applications, such as road design, architecture, and product design.